In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style your Google Forms using the customization features. Whether you're designing a survey, quiz, or feedback form, adding a personal touch can make all the difference in engagement and readability. Let's dive right in and explore the different ways you can customize text styles to fit your needs. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Forms. Once you've opened your form, look for the Customize Theme option. This is your gateway to modifying the form's appearance, including text styles and other visual elements. After clicking on this, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to tailor the look and feel of your form. Now, let's head over to the Text Style section. This area gives you the flexibility to adjust various text elements, starting with the header font. You have a wide range of fonts to choose from, so whether you prefer something classic and formal or perhaps something more playful and modern, there's likely a font that will match your vision. Take some time to explore different options and see which font best aligns with the tone of your form. Once you've picked a header font, you can preview how it looks. This is an important step because even a slight tweak can significantly alter the overall impression of your form. If you're satisfied with how things are shaping up, you can then move on to adjust the font size. Finding the right size ensures your text is readable and comfortable for your audience. Next, let's tackle the question font. Just like your header, you can select a font that aligns with the style of your form's questions. Here, creativity really comes into play. With tons of font styles available, you're not limited to just one look. Feel free to experiment to see what fits best. Additionally, for both header and question text, you can adjust the font size to tailor-fit your requirements. Whether you prefer slightly smaller text for a more discreet look or larger text for emphasis and readability, these choices allow you much-needed control over your form's aesthetics. Moving on, the text section of your form is equally important. Just like the header and question text, this area also allows you to select a font and size. This consistency across different text elements helps in maintaining a cohesive look throughout your form. And there you have it. A quick walkthrough on customizing Google Forms to match your unique style. By tailoring the fonts and sizes, you ensure a visually appealing and user-friendly experience for anyone interacting with your form. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful for enhancing your Google Forms. If you have any questions or need more tips on form customization, feel free to drop a comment below.